Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes. Because for those who love with their soul and heart, there is no separation. People whom we love might indeed be gone from our side, but they never leave our hearts. Let us all take a moment to remember a great soul, an amazing human being, whose legacy is etched into the minds of many, and whose life touched many lives. Mr. Avnish Kumar Dev. Born in 1962 in a middle-class household, with his father being a government employee and his mother a homemaker, Avnish was passionate about education, and so he excelled in his academics, both during his intermediate education and higher studies. His pursuit for a better life did not just end there. As he graduated, he felt the urge to contribute to the society. Owing to the same, Avnish graduated from the Xavier Institute of Social Service. Avnish began his professional career with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in the year 1984, followed by a 5-year stint at Bharat Electronics Limited. Those were the days he found the woman of his dreams, Suparna, and they tied the knot on 27th January 1995. The supportive husband was now also the loving and caring father of a beautiful boy, Abhyudit. An illustrious career continued and spanned through various organizations and led him to the Human Resource Department of Maruti Suzuki India Limited in June 2010. Avnish was a man of substance who ideally balanced his personal and professional life and was an absolute joy to be around.
A very good morning to all respected dignitaries, friends and dear students. I sincerely hope you are safe and positive in what continues to be challenging times. It is now more than 9 years since that horrific night on 18 July, and the memories of that night continue to haunt and bring pain. But over the years you learn to cope with the pain and move on, busying yourself with work, family commitments and things that brings purpose and joy in your life. What has helped in the healing process is the support and guidance of the Maruti fraternity from the topmost level. My heartfelt thanks to Ayukawa-san for his enduring commitment in honoring Avnish's memory. When the CEO of a company makes special effort year after year to pay a visit to the family of an officer who lost his life in the line of duty, it speaks volumes of his personal commitment and moral character. Perhaps it is the Japanese way, but can be a learning for other CEOs to emulate. Another tall person in the organization, and literally too, is Mr. Rajesh Uppal. He has been persistently mentoring my son for all these years, and I'm happy to share that after finishing college, my child, who was in class 11 when he lost his father, has now started working in Singapore. I am sure Avnish's soul rests in peace to know that his family feels secure and cared for. Through the vision, leadership and efforts of Siddiqui San and the trustees of the Avnish Memorial Trust, we have been able to contribute our bit towards the spirit and cause of HR and honor Avnish's memory in meaningful and tangible ways. We are already into the 9th edition of the memorial lecture. I wish to congratulate Musarrat San and his team for realizing this event year after year. The theme of the lecture this year is redefining ER strategy with focus on employee well-being. The esteemed panel of HR thought leaders and academicians would help navigate through it. Hope all of us go back with insights which could help us uplift as an organization and, more importantly, as an empathetic human being. Thank you all for joining us in this journey. All the best to all of you. Stay safe, take care, and God bless you all.
With his passion and perseverance, Avnish proved to be an inspiration for all those around him. He was someone who had the courage, tenacity, and the strength of character to preserve the cause of HR and remain by the side of his values till the end. The HR team truly misses his presence and the energy he brought along. He rests in our hearts and has our respect for the kind of person he was and the values he encompassed. Avnish Kumar Dev, you are and will always be truly missed.